One reason home-sealed windows are 2,000% more airtight is they don't warp in the heat. Watch what happens to the average window frame after just 1 minute with a hairdryer. It gets bendy and droopy, which causes gaps and air leaks. When we put a home-sealed frame to the same test, rock solid. No warps, no gaps, no drafts. For windows that are 2,000% more airtight, call Homesealed. A lot of window salespeople are pushy. They want that sale, and they'll twist your arm for hours to get it. At Homesealed Exteriors, we don't play those games. We perform a thorough inspection on your home, educate you on your best options, provide you with an honest price, and leave the decision up to you. No arm twisting, no sales tricks. That's a promise. Want a relaxed, pressure-free quote on premium replacement windows? Call Homesealed today.
Just how much stronger are Homesealed's windows? Let's find out. Here's a fiberglass window frame which is hollow. And here's our Homesealed composite window frame which is completely solid. Watch what happens when I run over the sections of each frame. The hollow fiberglass frame was completely destroyed. The solid Homesealed frame was totally unfazed. If you want windows that hold their weight, call Homesealed.
Need to replace your windows but don't want to spend the money right now? How about this, $14.44. Will that fit your budget? Every Homesealed window you buy as low as $14.44 a month with our easy financing. Even if you need 10 new windows, that's under $150 a month. Homesealed windows are gorgeous, durable, and efficient. And right now, just $14.44 a month. Call now and save $100 per window when you buy 5 or more. Thinking about new windows? Then you better think about installation. Most window companies hire the cheapest guy they can find, which means sloppy installation. You don't want sloppy. Our experienced installers measure to the 16th of an inch and slow down to do the job right. This means our windows last longer and make your home more comfortable. Which do you prefer, sloppy or precise? Call now and save $100 per. Do you want windows that look stunning, or do you just want the cheapest thing available? Homesealed windows have a wood grain look and a matte finish. Plastic vinyl windows are shiny and cheap looking. Homesealed windows have a squared off butt joint that looks great. Plastic vinyl windows have these ugly diagonal welds. Homesealed windows have metal handles that look awesome. Plastic vinyl windows have this. Guess how much more Homesealed windows cost compared to shiny, ugly vinyl ones? Nothing.